It's big stuff, right?
Yeah.
All right, let's do another one. So we have Akil here today, and what do you want to work on? What are some of your spots that you want to
For
take a
me,
look
I
at?
think it's all around.
Okay.
Me being the person that's either at a desk or at an instrument all the time, sometimes I feel like I could be just crooked, as I guess the word it says. So
All right.
anywhere possible.
So we'll do the full body. He's a musician. So, I have a lot of musicians that come in over the years, and, like, for example, a violin player might be like this for many hours a day, or even a guitar player has the arm up.
Exactly.
Piano players are one of the most balanced positions, but you'd be surprised how stressful it is to sit at a piano for a couple of years. You would know that. Keyboards, piano.
Right.
And comparatively, it's more balanced because you are sitting in more of a neutral posture as compared to a violin.
Yeah, sometimes I'm standing and playing too, so I might have to lean over for another one.
But it's intense and it's repetitive. That's the thing. Like, you're doing the same body posture for hours at a time, and the body can seize up around that. Yeah. Lie face down. I'll have you put your nose right here. Anything that we do with intensity and passion, even if it's something we love, can be stressful to the human body. So, I have a lot of dancers that come to my practice and they love their dance, but it's repetitive and it's a lot. Like, some dancers rehearse 6-8 hours a day, and to do anything 6 to 8 hours a day, the body feels it, even if you love it, even if it's something, it's funny because people go, wow, it's what I love. It's not stressful, but I'm not talking about mentally stressful. I'm talking about if it physically has a wear and tear. And see, like that spot there, do you feel this one?
Yes, sir.
It's a tight muscle, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So these are some of the computer muscles, where you lean into a monitor with your face, and just the angle of how the body tightens up. And I'm just going up. Right now I'm on between the scapula, between the shoulder blades, rhomboid major, rhomboid minor, traps, levator scapula. All these are tight. Too strong, or you like this strong push?
It's working for my...
It works, right?
Yeah.
So do me a favor, Akil, turn your face to the right, just your nose, and then turn all the way to the left. Is one tighter than the other, turning right or turning left?
Yes, sir.
Which way? Was it turning right or left?
Left.
Left. Okay, back to center. Let's just see. And drop your head. Let's just see if we can feel it. I feel one right in there. Do you feel that one?
Yeah.
So I'm going to adjust that one first, okay? So I'm going to tilt your head this way. Whew. Now test your head left and right. Any change yet?
A little bit, yes.
A little bit. So now lie on your back. That was a big one though, right?
That was.
Good. I'm going to do this one next, okay? It's big stuff, right?
Yeah.
All right, let's do another one.
That was a good day.
That was good, right?
Yeah.
All right, so now I'm going to have you slide towards me a few inches so you're more on this half of the table. Even come one more inch more. There you go. That's a good spot. The table's wide for me, so and I want my hand to fall through that slot in the table. I don't know if you noticed, but I jumped.
Yeah.
I hope you can see that on the video when you play back, but I literally left my feet. But where did you feel that?
Right. I'm on, well, mid to upper back.
Mid to upper back. A lot of pops, right?
Yeah.
I felt like 4 or 5 pop at the same time.
It's a good day.
It's a good day. You're a good man. All right, let me try to do the same thing but lower.
Okay.
Got another bunch, didn't I?
Yes, sir.
So I went a little lower. That was more like mid to, it was still middle back, but the lower portion of the mid back, kind of like in here.
Right.
And you get tight there too. So now I'm gonna leave the upper body for a minute. I'm just gonna come down here. Is this the first time today you get your toes popped?
Yeah, ever.
Woo, that last one. Lie on your side facing me this way, please. I'm gonna peel up the top knee and just stick it right back there. All right. I'm gonna pull you off your shoulder. Let your head fall like this. You're gonna have to help me a little because you're much stronger than me, okay?
Okay, no problem.
So I can't just bully you around too much. So I'm gonna have you push your shoulder back and start to twist this hip down. Good.
I'll never piece it out.
What'd you feel on that one?
Just everything.
Everything went, right? Good, so now go this way. So over the years, I mean, I guess if a purist chiropractor is watching, they would go, well, why didn't you use your little fingertip on that one? But he is much bigger than me. And over the years, I've learned how to adjust different types of people, like 6'8" people, petite people, you know, little tiny people. I put my little fingertips, I go, dee, 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 you know, but bigger people, I still have to get the job done. And I can't just like grab you and throw you around.
Yeah.
So I have to like think of a way to do it. But the cool thing is I got that to release.
Right.
And that's going to help him. It already feels good, right?
Better.
Yeah. So throw these shoulders back. Good. Lie on your, actually come stand right here now. You felt that side too, right? Yeah. That's good, right? And because you play instruments, I want to look at your wrists too. Okay, so face me a little bit. There it goes. Good, this way. And adjust here.
Man,
How did we do?
did well.
What was your favorite one?
All of them, to be honest.
All right, that's good. That's a good answer.
Real great sense of release, man.
All right, cool. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Appreciate the time.